Hi Sonika,
Hello, Kunal. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good too. Thank you for asking.
Great. So, what do you do, Sonika?
Kunal, I'm a numerologist and an astrologer. So I teach numerology, mobile numerology, and how to balance your number and chart. Yeah,
Great,
and I do
wonderful.
consultation too.
Consulting in numerology.
Right.
In addition to numerology, anything else you do, or it's just focus on numerology?
You can say focus on numerology, but I'm a good content writer too. So, but
Wow,
yeah,
that's a package
on
of
my website or
skills.
for my content and all based on numerology, I'm writing it, I'm handling it on my own.
That's fantastic. Okay, so how did you reach this position, Sonika? Tell us more about your work experience.
You can say, see, this is a part of occult science, and when persons start with it, so it is not a easy journey. You know, you need a lot of inspiration and motivation and learning practice to reach here. To do the
Right,
consultation, of course, you must have a good experience. So the thing is that my sister is also a numerologist. So she started her journey way back, like 15 years back, you can say. But at that time, I was really not interested into it. But then slowly and gradually, I become interested. I saw her profession. I was really highly influenced because she used to meet so many influential people come to her, and she used to guide them, and I also took some advice from her, so and it worked well for me. So that's the reason. And I learned it properly, and then I started it.
that's so very nice. And what's your education background, Sonika?
So I have completed B.Ed, MA, and TESOL certification too.
Very nice. And numerology, any certification degrees you did for that as
Right,
well?
yeah, right. I have the degree of numerology too. Means after that only, that what I'm saying. No, I have told you that I have completed that also, and after that I have started practicing. You can say like in 2012, I was a little bit interested, and I used to read a lot of books based on astrology, numerology. But that time I didn't start with the profession. Then later on, when I realized this, that I should start with it, I realized the importance and the facts. When you entered into the occult, this is a research-based work, and
Right.
the research is something which never stops you. Once you get into this, you want to just see the other another layer and all what is inside this and in that. So degree I have achieved, that is with me, and there are so many modalities in this numerology which are going on. The research is research in this field never ends, you can say that.
Absolutely, it's infinite.
Yeah. So I'm about to learn the Vastu also. So
That's a full bouquet of skills.
yeah, right now you can say I haven't started with the Vastu, but in future down the line, I'll definitely
Very
learn
nice.
that. Yeah.
So, Monica, a very straight and blunt question. How much money do you make?
See, approximately figure I won't tell, but still I'll give you the good idea. Maybe if you have completed your doctor degree, somewhat like that, then also you may not be earning this much. Initially when I was into the teaching, I was not making this much. Only just when I was teaching my English and all. But now you can say somewhat around 9 to 10 per annum, initially. And once you start with it, like anybody starts with it, it is a very good profession. And this way, actually, you're helping other people too, healing
That's
other
very
people, helping other
changing life.
people, changing lives, of course. So, yeah. And anybody who is new can means always start somewhat with 40-50,000 per month. That is the starting level, I'm telling you. And with
Mm-hmm.
the experience, it will only increase.
So 9 to 10 lakh rupees per annum. And are you happy with that kind of money, Sonika, yourself?
See, you can say that it is increasing day by day. So I'll definitely make more than my target. Yeah, See, I'm happy,
I'm not
but
judging. I'm asking.
of course, I would be more happier if I would
Okay.
be earning this much, like double than this, of course.
Oh, nice. So your happiness will be when your income gets doubled.
See, I'm happy. Yeah, of course. See, this gives you the monetary gain is not only for the money. It gives you the
Yeah.
inner satisfaction also, right?
Right. That's very true.
Yeah.
I would say yours was one of those very few honest answers which I've ever received till now to this question. It's kind of a
Okay.
double thought question.
Double, no, if you would have asked, I can say 10x also would do for me. So see, it is all about this skill set. Suppose now you are a doctor, you are
Right.
MBBS. So a doctor may be earning, like if you're going to the doctor, you may pay him 500 or 1000 rupees per consultation. And
That's
but if you are going to the specialist like surgeon and all, he will charge you, way more. So
Absolutely.
that is the thing with the, yeah, if you have more skills you can make more money. So when I am ready, I'm working on my skills, as I have mentioned that I'll add on my skills. I'll learn Vastu too, and of course then the full flashed into it. So of course the income would not be a question for me, I don't think.
True.
And for anybody else also.
Absolutely.
So this, yeah.
Okay, so my final question to you, what is your X factor? What differentiates you from the world, Sonika?
See, the thing is that you can say I'm very good at my work, and I always try to understand the another person's problem and their desire, what they want to achieve in their life. Okay, and I just don't read charts. I also show them the mirror that what exactly work for them. Whether at times people want that I want to go abroad, I want to do this, I want to marry this particular person. If now that person chart is not matching, or I can see that there's a problem in the future being there, so I have to tell them. So this is my X
Right.
factor, that I be honest, I show them the true picture in the mirror. And of course we provide them the remedies, but at times if the chart is not at all supporting, then we have to be true to them. So truthness and transparency is the X factor, you can say.
Okay. So basically, I'm talking to Sonika the mirror.
Not the mirror, yeah, but I love to help people and guide them for the better future.
Very well. That was so very nice talking to Sonika. It was a wonderful session with you. I wish you all the very best for your career ahead, your journey ahead, and have a nice
Thank you
day.
so much.
Yeah, take care.
Same here.
Bye.
Kunal. Bye.